Now I'm going to be making a bruschetta with caramelized onions, blue cheese, and I'm going to garnish that with some caper berries. It's a very slow cooking process. What we want to do is we want to really caramelize the onions until they're very soft and nice and brown. I'm going to start off by slicing. You can use either red onions or white onions. We're going to be caramelizing it with, again, some black gold. And the idea here is to cut the onions relatively thin so that they cook away and that you get caramelization all over. I'm just going to quickly slice these. I'm going to take the olive oil. Use sufficient olive oil for this recipe. And I'm going to start cooking that off slowly until they're nice and soft and well caramelized. While I'm doing that, I'm going to cut my bread. This is nice Italian ciabatta. Cut not too thin, nice chunky pieces. I'm going to put it in this pan. The pan is not hot. Squirt some olive oil on that. And then I'm going to be cooking it under the salamander, grilling it under the grill to give it some color. I'm going to be adding some black gold to this as well, which will give it a very nice caramel and sweet flavor, which will work very nice with the blue cheese and the capers, the sweet and the strong blue cheese, and then the acidity of the capers. Okay, this has now been cooking for at least 15 minutes on a slow heat, and as you can see, it's a very nice caramel onion relish almost with the black gold. Season it with a bit of salt. Turn these around. Again, a bit of olive oil on the other side. Back in the oven. Okay, the bread is just starting to crisp. I don't want to crisp them too far, otherwise it's going to burn when I recook them. I'm going to put the onion on top. I'm going to slice some of the blue cheese. You can use blue cheese, gorgonzola, any one of these veined cheeses. There's nice decadent dollops on top. And this is going to quickly grill for another, say, two or 3 minutes. And when they come out, I'm going to finish them off and we're going to serve them. Okay, they should be ready by now. The cheese is nice and melted. Bread is crisp. I'm going to take them, plate them. They're quite hot at the moment. A couple of caper berries just to finish the dish off. A couple of drops of black gold. Always nice color on the plate. And a little sweet basil for color. There you go.